Hi, welcome to the Driveway Dudes. With everything that's going on, the craziness, a lot of people are experiencing dead batteries, and I myself had the same trouble. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to jump a Toyota Corolla Fielder or a Toyota hybrid car. So this is a hybrid, a petrol electric hybrid. I'm going to show you how to get this started with a jump box. Okay, so when you've got no battery, easy enough to open with the key. And then to open the bonnet, it's under here. There's your bonnet release catch. So you pull this. And with this one, you have to. There's a catch in here that you have to lift. I'll show you when I open it. And so this is the catch you're looking for, and you lift it up to unlatch the bonnet. Okay, so with the hybrid models of Toyotas, very rarely there's a battery in the front. I mean, I know the Prius I think is in the boot. For the Fielder, and I think the normal Corolla, I don't know, is the normal Corolla in the back as well? I think the normal Corolla has it in the boot, but the Corolla Fielder and I think the Yaris, it's underneath the back seat. So what they give you up front is a jumping point. So it's inside this little triangular case. So to open this, you press this in, and then it lifts up and it hinges on the little hooks at the back, and your jumping point is under this little red cover. So this here, you'll see it's copper. This is your leads to your positive terminal in underneath the back seats, underneath the driver's side. So what we'll do is we'll get our jump box, and this is switched off at the moment. So the handy thing about that is you can hook up the cables while it's still switched off. So we'll put the red on the positive. We'll get that to bite down. And then the black, you want to put it on bare metal. So what I did is I put it right here. So this is going to be earthed. This is your electric motor. So then what you do is you switch this on, and you've got juice going into your battery. So if your battery is very drained, you might want to leave this about 5 minutes, and you should then start hearing some clicking and stuff as things start charging up again. And then you'll go into the driver's seat, and what you'll see is when you put your key in, and then when you see it says ready, you're ready to go. And she should start up, and then you can disconnect your once it started up, then it'll charge the 12-volt battery itself, and then you can disconnect your jump box. So we'll disconnect that box now. So these are great. Turn off the switch. Once the switch is off, it doesn't even matter what order you remove these. Close this cover, and we'll put the cover back on again. So you hook it around the back, and you press it down, and then for this video I used Will's jump box. I've bought my own on eBay. It has everything I'm looking for, so I wanted one that was minimum 900 amps. It has an inverter, so you can plug in a 3-pin plug or a UK plug. It has an air compressor and lights and USB port and 12-volt socket as well. I'm just waiting for that to be delivered. So for this video I use Williams jump starter, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description below for the one that I'm buying, and I'm waiting for it to be delivered. I hope you found the video useful today. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know it's free to subscribe, and make sure you give us a thumbs up if it was useful. Thanks very much for watching, and have a great day.